we had to load everything to the computer. So I went ahead and got everything out that I'm going to do my salads. And Zoe, if you'll show them, I went ahead and cut up the meat. So these are like 2 really big chicken breasts. So what I don't use of this meat, I will put in a container. These I can use for a pesto panini, which is like wheat bread. I do mozzarella, baby spinach, pesto sauce on it, and chicken. And I have a like a small grill press that I use on it. And those are great for lunch. Sometimes, like for John, I'll fix it early morning and pack it for him. So those do reheat very well. So back over here. So we have a green. This is 1 serving of vegetables. Since I'm doing a large mason jar, we're going to end up with 2 servings of vegetables in here because I'm going to mix some bell pepper in each one. Okay? Just to give you an idea. I'm going to end up eyeballing this and just putting them in here. But this is going to be about a serving. We're going to put, these are our wet vegetables. They go in the bottom. I prefer not to do my dressing in the bottom. That's optional. You can always put it at the very bottom. I do it separate. That way if I change my mind on what type of dressing I want, I have that option. And I normally put the dressing in this right here, like for John to take to work. And then I pour it in there. I won't do the full dressing because I am going to put some seeds. So seed and dressing is 1 orange. So that way I leave the rest for dressing. There we go. So I'm just going to go through here and put equal parts in each one. You can do broccoli. Cauliflower, to me, those items don't seem to do as well with a salad that you have in the refrigerator that will last 4 to 5 days. So I like to add those separately. You can add cheese. I'm not doing cheese in these only because, like I said, I like to add that if I'm not eating as much cheese that day. Okay. So I'll add some carrots. You can chop up the carrots if you want. I've gotten to where it doesn't matter to me. I leave them whole. If you don't have the time to cut the vegetables, another option is the store tends to have chopped, pre-cut onions, bell peppers. I believe you can get carrots, or you can do shredded carrots. That's another option. So that will save you time. You're going to go through here and add a little bit of seeds to each one. And then if I was going to add cheese, I would probably go ahead and do the cheese. You can add it before the chicken or after the chicken. That's there we go. So protein. There it is. So 1 serving of protein. Zoe, you'll show this. There's a red container. Okay. I'm going to add that to each one of these. This chicken for paninis and do 1 salad without meat. Give me 1 second, let me rinse my hands off. Okay. Put it here. Okay, so spinach. Fill a green container. I pretty much most of the time don't even use the containers as much because I've been doing this for over a year at this point. But for anybody starting, these containers are a lifesaver. I would say especially the first month of learning to months. Me, it may have taken 3 months to learn how to really portion out my meals. But, so that kind of gives you an idea. I'll seal it off. There's one. I was going to show you guys how I do parfaits, but I'm thinking since I'm having to cut these videos a lot, that I'm probably just going to show you these. But now as far as the parfaits go, I do Greek yogurt, pure vanilla extract, and some stevia. And I will normally fill up a red container and then add that in there. And then I do a cup of strawberries, blueberries. Zoe's over here licking her lips because that's one of her favorites. So the kids do like them, so I'm not the only one that eats them. Sometimes I use them as snacks, sometimes I do it as breakfast. I do also have granola from Sprouts. You can make your own. I prefer just to buy it because it saves me time. And I have snack size bags. And what I do is I measure out a blue container because that's equivalent to 1 yellow. That's for granola. And so I will measure these out and have these ready to go by my parfaits in the refrigerator. Actually, I have an example. I can show you one. Hold on one second. So this would be an example of the Greek yogurt with the strawberries on top. And so I will grab the granola bags, the little individuals, pour it on top, and it's ready to go. So as far as the overnight oats goes, you mix Greek yogurt, and I do almond milk. Some people like 2%, whatever milk you want, it's fine. Applesauce, cinnamon, chia seeds. You got your oats. I use old-fashioned rolled oats, whole grain. And then once it gets in the jar, I take it and I just shake it. And it's ready to go. The next morning it's ready to go. You can add fruit to it. You can do blueberries. It's really good. Some probably do bananas. I got a few other recipes I can share on this one. If you do Shakeology, there's a chocolate one that's really good. So keep a watch for those. I'll get those shared in the group. And happy meal prepping. If you have any questions, just go ahead and ask questions. If you have meals in mind that you want us to substitute, we'd love to help you. Thank you.